G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And it's June already. And what that means at Wurth Australia is it's the end of the financial year, tax time savings. So we've got heaps of specials on this month. What I want to show you today is the 1/4" socket set. Now in this set, we have sockets from 4mm up to 14mm. We've got extensions and universal joints. We've also got Torx drive bits, Phillips heads, Allen keys, etc. in there. Now I do particularly like the Wurth ratchet. Now the ratchet has 72 teeth. So what that means is it's got a very fine ratcheting. So if you get in those tight little spots where sometimes you can't get the ratchet to click over onto the next teeth, with the 72 teeth you can. And of course it comes in this nice, robust metal case. Now all these sockets have the Wurth fantastic PowerDrive. Now you might be wondering what that means. Now I have over here a larger spanner, so it'll be easier for you to see what I mean. But what PowerDrive does, rather than driving on the edges of the head of the bolt or the nut, which gives you the potential to strip the head of the nut, what the PowerDrive does is it actually drives on the flanks. So I'll get you to come in closer and we'll have a look how it works. So the sockets in this kit are the same as this ring spanner with the Wurth PowerDrive. So if I put the bolt in, as I told you, you can see that the actual spanner drives on the flanks here rather than the tip, so it saves me from stripping the bolts. So as I told you last week, they've allowed me out into the warehouse to pair up some freebies to go with these special tools. So today I've got the Wurth magnetizer and demagnetizer. So what this does, it enables you to magnetize things like screwdrivers, so you can hold and lock your screws onto it, or you can demagnetize them. It's very, very simple. So in one half, we've got magnetize. And we just pop the screwdriver in, and we move it around, and then we're able to pick up the screws. Then if we don't want it magnetized, we put it in this side, and just move it around a little bit, and then it's demagnetized and it won't pick up the screws. So we've got our 1/4" socket set, which is fantastic in this robust case. It's nice and compact. It's just terrific and really, really handy around the workshop, the home, just about anywhere you need a socket set. Now we've paired it, as I said, with the magnetizer, which is a fantastic, handy little thing to have in your toolbox. So to get yourself one of these fantastic 1/4" socket sets, simply go to the Wurth app or eShop, add the socket set to your cart, go to the checkout, and at that point you'll see where you can put a coupon in to receive your bonus magnetizer demagnetizer. Now the code is G'day Magnet. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and this set is ready for work.